welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. This is going to be a quick unboxing video of the Moza Mini P foldable 3-in-1 gimbal. 3-in-1 because you can use it for phones, you can use it for sports or action cameras, and you can use it for small mirrorless cameras, which is why I got it to use with the Sony ZV-1. And I've been super excited about getting a gimbal to use with this camera, and this is it. So this is going to be an unboxing. You see it pictured there on the bottom here. You can see the contents, what is coming inside of the box. And on the back you see a picture of how it folds up. So let's get this thing open so we can see what comes inside. So I guess that goes that way. I don't know how this comes off, but this is how I'm getting it off. I am ripping it. So there you go. You can see it has a handle, comes in a case. So that's the first thing you're getting, is you're getting a nice case. This is like a hard foam case. It's foam, but it's very hard foam, so it's going to protect it well, and has a nice carrying handle, and then a little latch on the front there that's used to open it up. So let's do that. And there you go. There's your contents. You can see molded foam case to protect them all and keep them all safe. So let's check out each one. You've got your manual. It's a pretty big manual, probably because it's in a million different languages. And it also has really fine print. So if you are over 30, get your magnifying glass, use your phone's magnifier, or have really good glasses. But most of what you would want to learn out of here, you can of course learn on YouTube, which is how I do most things. Here is the gimbal itself. That is the main attraction, so let's pull that out. I'm not going to unfold it or anything. I want to make sure I'm doing that right, so I'm going to wait till I watch some YouTube videos and make sure I do that right. But this is it. This is the gimbal. It's in locked mode right now. You unlock it, and then I think you twist this up, and then it becomes the gimbal. But this is it. And then what else do we get here? This is the handle / tripod extension. So you screw this into the bottom of that, or you can put this on a tripod, which is kind of cool. But you can also screw this into the bottom of it, and then you have a handle, and as well as a tripod, because it flips out and becomes a tripod. And that's what you put it on when you're balancing it. It's a good way to mount it onto this, set this like this, and then you can do the balancing part. But you could also use this as a handle extension, which is cool. Let's see what else we got here. We've got 2 cords. You've got a, let's see, USB. Oh wow, it's a mini USB, old school micro USB to micro USB. I think this is probably used to connect the gimbal to your phone. If granted, I mean your phone. I said phone, what I meant was your camera, in order to use the gimbal to control your camera, which you can do. Yeah, so this is a mini USB to micro USB for that purpose. And then here you have a USB to USB-C, and I believe that is to charge the gimbal itself. I think it charges through USB-C, which is great because that of course is the standard. So you probably have a lot of USB cables, as I do, which you can use to charge the gimbal easily. And then this is just specific to attach the gimbal to certain cameras, if your camera has a micro USB. Let's see what else we have in here. Got the L bracket and then the phone holder. So this is the L bracket. This is what your camera or your action cam or your phone ultimately is going to attach to for the balancing. And this slides down into the gimbal. And then you've got your phone holder. It's got the standard threads there on the bottom as well as the back. So you would put your phone in there, and then once your phone is in there, then you would attach it to the L bracket, and that's what that is for. So that's everything that you get in the box. As you can see, there's a place for everything. Of course, now I've got to try to remember where all these things were, because I didn't pay close enough attention while I was pulling them out. But that goes in there, I know. And I think these went in there. This was actually probably under here, I think. Aha. So it does all fit back in there for storage when you're transporting. So yeah, it's a great gimbal, fully capable gimbal. Holds a lot of weight, which is why I wanted it, because it can be used for a phone, but also can be used for the mirrorless camera that I'm using right now to film this, the Sony ZV-1, or any action camera you have. So it's kind of lots of uses and reviewed very highly. So that's the unboxing. Of course, I will be back with a full video review and demo at a later date. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep up with all my videos, or favorite this playlist. If you just want to keep up with product reviews, if you have any questions, post them below. I'll do my best to answer. And that's going to be it until next time. So have a great day.